So again, Madam Ogini, salamat. Thank you very much for coming here, sharing this lovely moment with our family.
Ilang buwan na lang, Lloyd?
May script na kami, may script. Every gig may script yun na eh.
Kansa talaga
Nag-thank our sponsors. Yeah.
Hello, Malay Fruit and Malay Sai!
thanks,
Welcome!
Alberta.
Thank you for coming!
At Tito Sawan Tineng-Beng. Bawa, bongga si Tita.
Ay, bongga! May pudding pang dala. Yes, thank you.
Salamat again sa pag-celebrate sa ining okasyon.
Okay. Enjoy the food, guys.
So this next
So
song
while you're
is
having your dinner, we're gonna play
this next song is our
more acoustic tracks.
theme song ni Namon. Ay, Tita Paset talaga.
Sure.
Madam, the owner of this
Yes.
house is our Tita Paset there.
For letting us celebrate
Naka-burgundy.
Malay's
Ano
birthday.
burgundy? Maroon.
Maroon.
Spell burgundy, Jackie.
Maroon na lang pwede. Okay.
Amo na siya ang tagiya dire. Kaya ramon balay dito gin kayo ang dalan. So last minute nag-change venue kita.
Malay Sai and Malay Fruit.
Like to welcome our friends from Santa Barbara.
Okay. So we're
This is
gonna
how
give you your next
my
song.
mom's brother is here. Amin nga mo kayo may 50 pesos ka muna siya. Nagkuha na siya, nagkuha.
Nawala ko cash. Oh,
From
ko
Chicago,
kayo.
from Chicago.
Si Rhea
Si
Maamen.
Kanya sister-in-law. Enjoy lang mo sa pagkaunda.
Kami lang
Hi, Tita
background
Pe!
music.
Wow! Karon ma...
Kami lang
We
background
miss
music.
you!
Kaunaga lang tao, sanda ko lang ang live video,
Yes,
live
especially during
session. So
pandemic.
this time, it's proper live video. Okay, give you your next song. It's a song by, I don't know, by Regine and I don't know what's the name of the band. Sugar Free. Okay. Hope you enjoy.
Bawat sandali ng aking